Guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be another Amazon haul. I mentioned in I think my last Amazon video that I was purchasing from Amazon more frequently, and it's to the point now where it's like 1 to 4 times a week. So that's why I have a ton of Amazon videos to share with you. So I wanted to share the recent items that I picked up. All great. I'm really excited to share some of these with you guys. One of them I just discovered and I'm obsessed with. It's super random. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what I picked up from Amazon, then just keep watching. So before we get into all the Amazon goodies, I wanted to mention and thank ShareAcart for sponsoring this portion of the video. You're probably wondering what ShareAcart is. I'm going to insert a little clip showing how I navigate through the website and use it. But basically, ShareAcart is a free Chrome extension that allows you to share your online shopping list from hundreds of major retailers and small businesses in one link. ShareAcart simplifies shopping for anyone that wants to share their cart on sites that might not have a wish list function, or even ones that do, considering it lets you just pull all the items in your own cart with one click. Now, I created a share cart for all the items I'm going to mention, and I cannot tell you how easy it was. Typically for my videos, including Amazon, I've got to go to the Amazon affiliate site, search all the items, get the the URL, and then link it in the description and go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. And even if you're someone who just wants to share links with people, this is just so much easier. You guys saw it in the clip. So when I was linking everything for this video, it like cut down my time of linking probably 75%. Like, I'm not joking. It's super easy to use. Amazon is on it, Walmart, and then there's other retailers as well. So if you guys are interested in ShareAcart, I will have it linked down below. I would definitely recommend it. It saves time. First off is this travel makeup brush case. As you can see, I'm gonna open it in a second. I actually have a matching like big huge travel makeup bag. It's from the brand Relevel. Hopefully you guys can see that right there, Relevel. And I should have grabbed it, it's in the closet, but I wanted to get like a travel makeup brush kit, as you can see. So my brushes are standing up straight. I don't have to like, shove them into like a makeup bag or anything like that. And what's really cool about this is that, when I'm traveling, I can just do that. So it's really nice. And then my other bigger makeup bag has this as well. This is really affordable. I think it was like, I don't know, maybe like 15 or 16 bucks. And also, if you did like want to like put it on luggage or anything, there's kind of like a little strap here where you can like, insert, a handle or anything like that, or like a strap, not a handle, excuse me. So it's very versatile, but I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see. It's cool because it has the dividers in there without spilling the brushes, you guys. It has these little dividers or compartments in there, but you can honestly take one out to make 2 bigger compartments. You can make 1 smaller and 2 larger. It's definitely customizable. So I just wanted to share this because it's a great way to store makeup brushes without like shoving them into a makeup bag. So I just thought that this was a really cool item, especially for traveling. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Next, we'll get into some sunscreens. I know in my last Amazon video, I mentioned the Alba sunscreens and how I'm kind of paying attention to sunscreens more lately. A lot of the crap that's in our sunscreens actually is not good for our skin and can cause skin cancer. It's like honestly crazy, you guys, but it makes sense. So Alba, I was researching them and they're a really good brand. They're reef friendly. And if you look at their like active ingredients, you can recognize a lot of the things listed. Whereas if you look at like a Hawaiian Tropic or, what are the other brands? I don't even know off the top of my head. The inactive ingredients you don't even recognize. So this one right here is their Facial Sheer Shield Sunscreen. It is SPF 45 and it's fragrance free and it is reef friendly. And it says it's no oxybenzone, octinoxate, or animal testing. I can't pronounce these. So that's what it looks like. So the one I showed you in the last video was the SPF 30 and it was just the lotion. So I wanted to get a facial one. So this is the one I went with. The next product, this stuff right here, I wanted to get a spray. I have the lotion, I like it, but sometimes you just kind of just want to spray everything and be done with it. So I got the spray and I'm obsessed with this. I'm probably going to buy another bottle. There's a decent amount left in here, but this is the Alba Botanica Hawaiian Sunscreen and this is SPF 50. and it is coconut clear spray. So it smells kind of nice. It doesn't have like a really overwhelming scent to it, but that's what it looks like. And I love this stuff, you guys. And again, when I look on the back, actually this has a little bit less inactive ingredients than the facial one. So I definitely wanted to shout this out as we're getting into like the warmer weather, you know, bathing suit season, everything like that. This is a really good sunscreen, and I'm just sharing, you know, kind of the research I've been doing. You can do your own research on sunscreens, but you're probably gonna find what I've been saying. But anyways, yeah, so I just wanted to mention these two. I really have been liking the Alba. I don't think they sell it on Walmart, at Walmart, you guys, or Target. I've looked maybe online on their websites, but I haven't seen them. I know Walmart, I think, sells Alba, but I haven't seen the sunscreens there. So I just figured I would mention it. So let's kind of like go away from like skincare, beauty products, and talk about this right here. And you guys will have to let me know if you've ever played this game or heard of it. This is called Phase 10, and it is a card game. And I'm obsessed with this. I just played this with my husband last night, and I swear to God, like, I feel like he cheats because he wins all the time, but it's such a cool game. And basically what it is there's 10 phases of the game. And if I can just get one of the cards out. And this is, you can play this with 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. Sometimes when you play it with 2 people though, it can be a little bit harder because one person can have all the points, the other person can have none. The object of the game is to have the least amount of points. And this is what all like the different rounds are. So for example, the first round that we play is 2 sets of 3. So you have to have 2 sets of 3 matching numbers. Like, and then the second phase or round is 1 set of 3 and 1 run of 4. So you have to have 3 of the same number, and then you have to have 4 cards that are, it's like 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys get what I mean. So it just goes through all different phases, and you basically want to try to get rid of all your cards. You know, and there's some other little rules. There's a wild card, there's a skip card, but this game is so much fun, you guys, and I'm kind of upset that I, you know, didn't discover it sooner. So you guys will have to let me know. And it was 10 bucks on Amazon, if you guys are wondering. Super affordable. I know that I've seen ones that just come kind of in like a paper case, but this one comes in a nice tin case, so I really like it. So if you guys are looking for a great card game to play, even with your family, this one's really fun. It can get pretty competitive, but it is really fun, so I did want to mention it. The last 3 products are kind of like beauty skincare. I know I have a lot of like beauty skincare products I'm mentioning. So I know I mentioned lashes in my last video. They were the Kiss #1s, but I'm back to the Kiss 11s, you guys. I just love these, and I like them better than the Ardell Demi Wispies and Wispies. I don't know, these are just my favorite lash. And they just basically are your lash, but better. And they're super minimal. Half the time I wear them, people don't even know I have lashes on. I do have them on today, you guys. Now, side note, and it's crazy, I do not have any face makeup on. I have lashes on, and I have like little lipstick with gloss on, and that's it. I don't have any makeup on. I just didn't feel like, you know, doing the whole shebang, because by the time I do my makeup and then film, it's like 2, 3, whatever, 2.5 hours, 2 hours have gone by. So I just skipped it. But I just like, honestly, I'm like, whatever, I don't even care. So I'm just like not wearing fake face makeup today, if you guys are wondering. But anyway, so yeah, I love these lashes, would highly recommend them. I get them at Walmart. Target does not sell Kiss, but half the time Walmart is sold out of them. And these are a little bit cheaper, I think, on Amazon. So I'm frequently ordering these from Amazon. And then the last 2 products, I think I might have mentioned once before, but I really have been loving them. And they are by CoverGirl. They just came out with this whole line. This is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Mattifying Oil-Free Moisturizer. And it says 24 hours of hydration. So that's what it looks like. They came out with a whole line. They have like a water hydration one and then a corrector one as well. I have the water hydration one in the bathroom back there, but this is the one I wanted to mention because I use it a lot. And it says basically that it's made, where is it? Where does it say that it's like made with like cactus, hold on a second, it might say it on here. Cactus water is like an ingredient in all of these. But I love this stuff. I love the way it smells. It just smells really clean. It's not like an overwhelming scent or smell. And that's what it looks like, you guys. The consistency of it is really nice. Now, this is a great hydrating moisturizer, but typically I don't have oily skin, but in the morning I notice I always wake up with my nose just being really oily. I don't know why. Actually, it's a little oily right now, so I'm going to show you. You put this on, and I'm just telling you guys, you're matte. you're good to go. And then the bonus of this, I'm just gonna kind of rub the rest of it out. Like your skin is completely matte, there's no oils. And the bonus of this is that you can apply this before makeup and you won't have any issues blending out your makeup. This is the only thing that I will use on my face prior to using makeup. Typically when I put makeup on, I don't use any kind of moisturizers because I don't want to chance any like flaking or issues with my foundation blending out. This acts as a primer. I do use a primer, but you don't even need to use a primer. So this is just awesome, you guys. I have been loving this. If my camera wants to focus, there we go. And as you can see, I'm probably gonna need to get a new one soon. I did order this like, I think maybe 2.5, 3 weeks ago. I just forgot to mention it, but really been loving it. I would highly recommend it. And then next, this right here is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Priming Glow Mist 8-hour hydration, and it's got that cactus water in it and rose water and vitamin C. I just cannot talk today, you guys. I'm really exhausted, but that's what it looks like, and I've really been loving this. Basically, you can put that on, or throughout the day, say you have makeup on or your skin just needs a pick-me-up, you just go like this, and it just gives you a nice glow. It's really refreshing. It's like a pick me up for your skin, hydration, everything like that. It says 8-hour hydration. So this would be really good, especially like if you're working or on the go, to pop in your purse. Sometimes I do. And the smell is fine. It's not like overwhelming. I was a little hesitant because it said rose water. I don't like the smell of rose, but it's not bad at all. So definitely wanna to recommend this as well. And yeah, that's kind of it for all my products. I didn't want to overwhelm you guys because I know I already have more products coming from Amazon. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you've tried that Phase 10 game, and definitely check out Sharecart. All of these items will be listed in a link, so it's just easier. It was definitely easier for me, so I would definitely take advantage of Sharecart. I will have it linked down below, but anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.